Hello everyone. So in last app we saw that we have to make an analytic control app using NodeMCU. Now what we will do is we will make an app in which we will add a slider so that we can control a speed of a particular motor using that particular slider. So what we will do is we will remove these remove or we can let it be this particular button, and we can remove this particular button off and delete it from here, and we can add a slider over here. Okay, so we can have its minimum value from, say, let's say from 10 to 1024. Okay, or we can say like from 10 to 1000 we can keep its particular value. And now the rest of the things remain same. Now moving to the blocks part, and we can do one more thing to make it look differentiable. We can just simply like okay, and when we move to blocks, so it was when for button 2, let's say, so we do not need what we will do is now we will come to slider, and when this particular slider position is changed, we will copy this particular part and paste it over here, and we will remove this button from here. So it's like set http text box, and then we will join this particular IP or whatever you want to say. And then what we can do is we have to remove this because we need the thumb value also. So we will again go to text, add one extra join over here, and we will add it like this particular only slash over here, and we will go to slider and get the thumb position and set it over here. Okay, so now whatever data will be going, it will be like http double dot slash and 192 or whatever the IP is slash the position of the particular thumb. So this is how it will work, you can say, and rest of the things remains the same. So you need not to change do many changes to this particular app, and you can simply use this particular app. And when you move to the designer part, I think you do not need this button also, so you can delete it from over here, and you have just this particular slider over here, and you can easily use it. So basically if you see in the last 2-3 apps, the concepts remains the same. The basic concept behind those particular app is the same. The only thing it changes is it's an application. Like once when you use button, a single value is sent. When you are using a slider, you have a range of values which you can send. So the things which need range of values, like for example, if I need to tell you like a speed of a fan, the most basic example is the speed of a fan or intensity of a light. So these kind of things can be controlled using this particular slider. So this is the basic architecture, and once again I will show you this block. The IP portion remains same, the setting IP portion. Only the thing changes is the web URL and each and everything, and the thumb position which we are adding. So here we are not adding any fixed text, because in button we have only two cases, you can say like on and off, but in this we have a range of cases, so we cannot join each and every case from 0 to 1000, or you can say 10 to 1000. So what we do is we just simply add the slider thumb position. So whatever the position of the thumb would be there, like 30, 40, 50, that particular value would be passed over here. So I hope that this is clear to you all. So this particular part is also done. So you should practice this particular app also. Thank you.